Good day mga construct, bali hindi tayo ngayon para magbahagi ng panibagong construction tips. Yan bali kung makikita nyo, meron tayo ngayon ditong Unified Application Form for Certificate of Occupancy. Ayan bali, patapos na kasi yung ating project, so i-apply na natin siya na occupancy. Bago kayo mag-apply ng occupancy hanggat maaari, completed na yung fixtures, completed na yung doors and windows, and syempre yung mismong structure, kung mayroong mga remaining works, as much as possible is mga wall attachments na lang or painting works. Ayan. Bali, once na naka-install na yun is pwede na tayo mag-apply ng occupancy. Take note lang na kung sino yung nakaperma during building permit na in charge or professional in charge sa construction is yun din yung peperma para sa professional in charge sa supervision or construction ng project. Ayan. Bali, makikita nyo yun during occupancy na mayroong nakasaad doon na full-time inspector or supervisor of construction. Ayan. Bali, sa ngayon, nag-fill out muna tayo ng mga kailangan details kaya ng PRC number, validity, PTR number, date issued ng PTR, issued at or yung location na pinag-issuehan, and TIN number. Included na rin dito yung ating CTC number or yung tinatawag na Community Tax Certificate or Cedula, date issued kung kailan na-issue yung Cedula, and place issued. Ayan. So, pagkatapos natin ma-fill outan ito is magda-dry seal naman tayo. Ayan. Bali, lahat ng pinipermahan natin dito is dapat ay naka-dry seal. Ayan. So, ilan po muna ang share natin ngayon. This is Engineer Barlan sharing another construction tips. Thank you mga construct.